Hello and welcome back to another Art Fabula video, and today I have an unboxing, a very special unboxing that I've been waiting since, well, a month, more than a month maybe. I have a package from Monster Patrol, a big packet with a few toys, Sofubi toys that I've been waiting, as I told you before. And I will show you, I will do the unboxing. I have already opened it, but the toys are still in their package here, and maybe something else. This is a part of a collection that this artist, School Headbutt, has done in Japan and in USA, where I bought these toys. I have been always looking for a way to get these toys, and now I have these toys here with me. So I will show you, I will do the unboxing, but first, before the toys, I need to go down here and get this incredible 10th anniversary magazine from this School Headbutt artist. And this is a very, what I really love this one. And the special thing with this is signed, so I already am very happy with this. If I could only get this one, I would be very happy. But I have two toys here, and here you can see very fast. I can show you very fast what is inside. So this is the magazine, the front, the back, and well, the signature too. I hope you can see it, the signature too there. Very happy about this one. But we are here for the toys, so I will show you the toys right now. We can take, what is this? Thank you for shopping with us, thank you. I have the Mars X School Headbutt by Akamatsu, so it's the name of the artist, so Akamatsu. It's a very big artist in Japan, and I really love his artistry, his toys. I have also the Mudrum number 3 from the same artist and from this collection, and this is something that I'm very happy. So let's get the first one, and the first one is, let's see what it is. I'm not sure. Oh, look at this, from Monster Patrol. Stickers. Thank you very much, Monster Patrol. This one is the Mudron number 3 School Headbutt. I'm not sure how to open this one. Yes, here. Oh my god, this is too much. This thing is too much. This, wow, this is incredible. Let me show you the toy. Here is the front, the side, the back. I hope you can see. I'm not sure if you can see, but this is an incredible paint work here, and not only the paint work, but also the design of the toy. Look at this incredible face. My God, wow, I love this toy. I will show you at the end of the videos a few photos and a few videos of these toys. But this is wow. I don't know what to say. Look at this, incredible. So this is the no, this one I think is the Mars X School Headbutt toy. I will open the other one. I hope it's the right one. And I think this one is the Mudron number 3. Those are just one-offs. So this color variation, my God, these color variations are unique for these toys. and there is only one of these color variation in the world. And I'm very happy that I have these variations. This one is incredible. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Wow. How does he does these things? I don't understand. This is wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, it's painted with a brush. This is painted with the brush. Interesting. The brush is something that I don't use too much in my toys. I'm using the brush mostly for details and for small miniatures, but not for my toys, for something else. But I see that a lot of people, artists from Japan, use the brush to paint their toys. I have Pico Pico. I'm not sure, but you have seen Pico Pico's toys before. This one is made with brush. It's painted with brush too. And I think this one is also. This is again the Mudron number 3. What an incredible piece of art. This is art, and this is a Sofubi with soul. This is a toy with soul. As well, we are not going into that right now. So here you have it. I'm not sure if I have anything else here, but we have those two, the Mars X and the Mudron number 3 toys. I will show you right now the pictures and the video. Thank you very much for being here with me and open these incredible toys. I'm going to take a few videos and photos and put it there for you. So thank you very much. See you soon. Bye.